In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Namecheap Nameservers. Now, if you're managing your domains through Namecheap and you need to know your name server details for any configuration tasks, this is the perfect guide for you. I'll take you through each step so you can find this information quickly and easily. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, you'll find it straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Namecheap website. You can do this by opening your preferred internet browser and typing in namecheap.com in the address bar, then hitting enter on your keyboard. Once the Namecheap homepage has loaded, you'll notice a user-friendly layout that's geared towards managing your domains smoothly. Once you're on the website, direct your attention to the top left corner. Here you'll see the sign in option. Click on that to access the login page. You need to be logged into your Namecheap account to access your domain details, including the name servers. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your username and password. Type your username into the first field and your password into the second. If you've set them to automatically fill, you might not need to type them in every time. Make sure your details are correct and then proceed by clicking the sign in button. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where you can see all the domains you own. From here, find the domain you need to configure. Look for the Manage button next to your domain. Clicking Manage will open up the domain's management area, where you can make various adjustments and view important domain information. So go ahead and click on Manage for the domain you're interested in. Once you enter the domain management page, you might need to scroll a bit. As you scroll, you'll notice a section dedicated to name servers. These are the servers responsible for translating domain names into IP addresses, and finding them here is straightforward. In this section, you'll see the information you're here for, your specific domain's name servers. And that's it! You've now found the name servers for your domain on Namecheap. This information is crucial for DNS modifications and various hosting configurations. Anytime you need to verify or update this information, simply come back to this page and follow the same steps. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you can easily find and use your Namecheap name server information. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.